There's no such thing as a typical document management customer. All businesses can benefit from the use of document management because all businesses rely on documents and rely on information contained in those documents in whatever sector or process they're involved with. So it can vary as much from the likes of a simple student record right up to really complex data mining applications, which would then be pulling numbers of different data fields out of a range of documents into the likes of e-discovery in the legal sector and so on. The key thing about a customer is that we can introduce efficiencies into a process where it's reliant on an information flow, typically based around documents. So that's what we look for rather than which particular industry sector it is, because very often the horizontal processes are consistent across all business sectors. So where we work in finance or human resources or in logistics or customer service, the sort of end sector of the business is not that key. I should add that really a document now is so different from what we thought about in the past. It's no longer a piece of paper or even an image of a piece of paper. Now it can be a collection of information, it can be an EDI field, it can be a picture, it can be anything. And documents are really parcels of information which are logically grouped together and can be moved around the business. Our customer base is incredibly varied across both the US and the UK, and the product is a sticky product because people are putting all the data from their business into the product, and it's reliable and it's safe and it's audited. There's no need for them to change the product. So we typically see retention rates in the 90+%, and the only changes we see in our customer base are typically in terms of mergers and acquisitions. The changes in technology have been reflected over the years. So where once document management was seen as a standalone application, it's now almost become a piece of infrastructure. So while you've got file systems, databases, and a document management system, really that's all of your data storage layer, and the other applications sit atop that. So while a business user may work in a finance or an HR application, the data that they're accessing will be stored in the document management system. So a key element for us is making sure that we have integration to all of those business systems. And it's very seamless as well. So people are not feeling as if they're moving from application to application, but the data is presented to them in their normal work environment. Because we have the index data, we're then able to report on that, and business intelligence tools like a management dashboard can report not only on line of business systems and on changing data, but also on information based around the indexing of the documents. By having a dashboard tool, that means you're able to react quickly to any changes in the business environment which are directly driven from the data that you're capturing. As a business owner, what you want to do is to be able to have a forward view, an advanced view of any potential threats or opportunities over the horizon. Now, if there's a system which can mine your data and send you an alert to give you that early warning, that's got to be a good thing.